Hello, welcome to my channel. I will be talking about market structure because it has been a topic that has been online for a while. However, I had to go through tons of video over the years, and I had to, make a lot of mistakes before I figured out, what I was looking for. So, there been some theory about market structure, and if you go online, there you can see it on some big platforms. But however, this is my take on market structure. Now, it is true that market structure is a vital part of trading, especially for the forex market. So, when you talk about market structure cuts across all time frames. Market structure cuts across all time frames, from the 1 minute down to the monthly. You're going to find that market structure, it's everywhere. The market is designed to move in that direction, especially for technical traders. So this will not be complete without me, showing you an example of a typical market structure formation and breakout. So before I start giving examples, I want to mention some important factors that we see every day in the market, and we forget to see that it has something to do with market structure. So number one, you've heard about support and resistance. Those are important. They're important in the forex market. You can add it to your list of market structure formations. You've heard about how to use your Fibonacci tool. The concept of higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high. All this they come together. So when you talk about market structure, you're talking about the totality of the market. So I don't want to miss anything. Then okay, one more. You look at the dominant trend against a retracing trend. They all work together. So if you're able to understand market psychology, you have the full picture of a market structure. I'm going to be giving examples now, and you're going to see what I mean by having to understand market structure and why it cuts across all the time frame. And I'll make sure I touch some certain time frames for you to spot market structure as well. So judging from what we have on our chart here, GBP USD, you can see that I'm going to take it from here. You can see there's been some sort of market impulse right here. So now you can identify the market impulse. Now you can tell that the market is on a bullish move. But before it gets to its final destination, there's going to be some sort of a minor retracement, right? Now on this retracement level, the question is how far is the market going to go? The market probably stop at a level around here, which is going to be your support zone. This is a key level zone. You see how we are putting together the whole market structure perspective, right? So that being said, you'll be looking out for a buy here, right? So this is what we are going to do next. Now I'm going to map this zone out, and I'm going to go to a lower time frame, and I'm going to show you the structural formation of the market right there. So I'm going to go to my 1 hour, and at this point I'll be looking out for structural formations, and if I can't find one, I can as well go to my 30 minutes. So guys, you can see structure. This is structure formation. At this point I'm looking out for breakout, so I can map it right here. You see, they are not always perfect, and at the break of the structure and retests, or at the break of it, you can start looking out for buy opportunities. You can see structural formations here as well. This is not too clean. Either way, it counts, because these are the kind of situations you meet in the market. So I'm going to go to another pair, GBP JPY. Depending on the market condition you face, you're going to start applying to structural formation. So, and GBP JPY, you can see that the market has been on the bullish trend for a while now, and there was a minor retracement right down here. So the question is, how low will the market go? Same thing, you look out for support levels right here, a key level. At the key level, you look out for market continuation. This is where you go to your lower time frame. Your lower time frame, you're looking at for structural formation, you're looking at for demand zones, so let's see what happens here. If we find a structure, okay, here you can find the demand zone right here. You can find a demand zone right there, and also you can also find a structural formation. This is a structural formation. Hope you can see a resistance level there where price was not able to break until it did, and there was a breakout, right? So you can find the structures everywhere across the market. You can as well, check Evo USD. You're going to see structural formation here as well on our trend line. You can see that, right? And at the touch of the trend line, you can as well go look out for formations, structural formations. So let's check our 15 minutes, right, or 1 hour, and you see there's a formation here. Here's a chart pattern, and at the break of this resistance here, market went all the way. So you can find structures across the time frames. Guys, this is how to look out for structural formations. There is yet another one right here. At the break of this high, market went all the way. When you go to a lower time frame, you see, get a clearer view. You can see that, right? Structural formations everywhere. Let's see just yet another. Okay, let's see here, GBP card. I love this one. So you can see on the GBP card, you can see a formation here as well. Market went down, came down to a support level, tally with our trend line formation. Our trend line has been drawn. Didn't just stop there, it gave a chart pattern formation, and you can see the break of structure right here and a retest, and the market went all the way. So structures appear everywhere. It's your ability to understand, the psychology of the market, and you know how to take advantage of it. And not just that. Okay, let me go way to our NSD card. NSD card, you're going to find on the weekly chart, there's been a bullish move. On our Fibonacci, you can tell that price is retracing on the weekly chart, and it's coming down to it's going to get to a level that's broken out at 8.2. Is around the 50. We do not know if it's going to get to 61.8, but if it gets there, then at that point we are looking at for buy opportunities. So I'm going to go to a lower time frame as well. Like I said, that structures are everywhere. The lower time frame, okay, you can see, and these structures, it goes in line with what our dominant trend is saying. So if you have a dominant trend on the daily chart or on the 4 hours, you'll be looking out for market opportunity for bullish. So even when you go to a lower time frame as well, you're looking out for buy opportunity. So on our GBP USD, you can find a structural formation here as well, and I'm going to complement this with a horizontal line, and you can see the huge candle breakout, and that was it. Market went all the way. And let's see if we can find any on our GBP/JPY. So like I said, the market is not always perfect, but you should be able to tell. The market is on a dominant trend already, we know that. So at this point, we are looking at for structural formation. Here is a structural formation on 5 minutes. You can see the W pattern, the double top, and price went all the way. But I wouldn't recommend trading on the lower time frame. I prefer trading on a higher time frame, so that I'll stay long the market and get more pips. So this is structural formation breakout. So there are structures everywhere. It's your ability to identify them. I think I should show you one on gold. Okay, yes. I'll go on a much higher time frame. Yes, there was a bullish move right here, and there was a huge retracement because the market on the dominant trend for gold is bullish. So when you bring out the big boy Fibonacci, you see how price, just rested on the zone, and it didn't just stop there. It gave a formation. You can see the double bottom. They call it the W as well. It's a reversal pattern. And price broke through that zone and went all the way as well. And on this level right here, you can find a triple bottom, and it didn't just stop there. You can see a structural formation here as well, and a breakout on that zone. There was a retest and the market went all the way. So guys, you see this is repeating themselves throughout across the time frame on 4 hours, 1 hour, even down to 1 minute. And crypto, Bitcoin, you can find it in Bitcoin as well, but I think we're going to skip that for now. Okay, let me show you. Fibonacci, same thing right here. So guys, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Structural formations are everywhere. You have to use combination of your Fibonacci to learn how to identify key levels, support and resistance levels, how to draw your trend line, using the trend line as a breakout. They are all important. You don't just rely on one strategy. So guys, I hope this was really helpful, giving you insight on how to do market analysis, understanding market structure. So guys, just do well to subscribe, do well to like, comment, then let me know if you want me to explain more and go further on market structure, and I will do well to make it clearer. So I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.